this is really something that we were waiting for. Ta-da! Look at this, guys. We really need this actually. It's a stabilizer for smartphones. It's called Pny Mobee Gimbal 3-axis stabilizer for smartphones. Right, I'm so excited to open this one, guys. So actually we bought it from Dubai, from Sharaf DG, as you can see here. Sharaf DG. It's cost us actually 328 dirhams with a 2-year extended warranty, guys. So if something happens within 2 years time, we can change it, we can get a new one. So it was an offer, it was a promo, that's why we got this one for that price. Actually the original price of the stabilizer is 299 and extended warranty was 28 dirhams or 29 dirhams. Alright, let's open it and see. Here we go, guys. Let's open it and see. We really badly want this. Guys really want to see the brand, this is the brand. Okay. Right. It's here. Alright guys, so as you can see, I open it and on the top you can see there's a bag. It's like a pouch. I think when you are traveling you can use this. I will show it to you guys. Pouch that you can put your stabilizer inside and when you're traveling. Right, nice. And then next we have here the user manual. It's very important, guys, because so many people doesn't know how to use this. Even me, I don't know. I have to go through the manual first and let's see how we can. And I think we have to install the app first, PNY app, then we have to connect to it to the stabilizer. Right, and if you can see here, this is the part, this is the biggest part, the stabilizer, and you have here something. Let me check. Take it out. This is there. Okay, this is the part that fits on the bottom of the stabilizer. You can use it as a tripod as well to make it steady when you're using the stabilizer. Cool. And these are the charger. This is the charger, and this is the most important part. Alright. Wow, look at this, guys. See. I'm really excited. Alright guys, this is it. So the charging place is here. As you can see, you have to plug in here for charge, then the USB connector, and this is this part. This comes on the bottom, as you can see. You can do like this easily. Right, it will be more steady. Actually, this one, even without this part, it's very steady, because as you can see here, it's a huge,
Flat and round.
yeah, flat and round, and it's huge. So it is still steady without the tripod part, this part. So anyway, this is very useful as well. Alright guys, that's it. So in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to install the PNY app and how I'm going to connect the stabilizer into my phone. Alright guys, thank you so much again for watching Love Her Srilankan Filipina, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.